We're going to be looking at how to launch an Asana form from Salesforce, and we're going to utilize a global action as well as a lightning component to do that. So there is an integration between Salesforce and Asana. Depending on what version in Salesforce you have, you may or may not have access for it. This can be used in really any version, and this would be a good use case for maybe if you don't have access to the Salesforce API, or maybe you provide service to clients that are on Salesforce. Um, so if you click this global actions button, scroll down and hit this support request custom button, this is going to launch a lightning component that opens up a specific Asana project form. So in Asana, you can have multiple projects, and each project can have a form. And this is the URL that we've hard coded into the Lightning component for the form from a specific project. I think we put it on our marketing project, for example's sake. So when I submit that form, you see up here, I already got the dot on the Asana thing right here, and I can see that a task was just assigned to me in our marketing content project. So just a simple use case of how to use a global action to submit a form straight into Asana. That can just streamline a lot of different types of communication. You can have multiple buttons if you had different projects, and just a nice trick. If you need access to the Lightning component or code to the Lightning component, shoot us an email in the email in the description, and I can share that with you on GitHub with how to install it.